You had Phoenix saying 10. I
Oh
said
shit.
okay.
I was feeling myself for a second there. I'm not gonna lie.
Hardcore team deathmatch. Eliminate the enemy. Leave none alive. Secure the lead.
Oh, there you are. I didn't even see you through that glass. Hey, yo, Jay, you been cooking tonight?
Trying, man.
I want to see that Cucky rematch.
Shit.
Yo, you got dualies? You got dual pistols?
Nah,
Yeah,
I
dual
can't.
pistols.
I can't do dualies. That's just way too fast for me.
How the fuck? Yo, what the shit is going on here?
Peanut butter whiskey.
Huh?
Nice. I thought you were a little further. Ooh, nice shot. Oh, pronin? Okay. Okay. Ooh, jump. Where do you go? Barbecue?
Yeah. Wah! That was nasty. That was fucking nasty. Oh, Mr. J.
Where are you?
Where you go, Mr. J?
Bust the lead.
Nice.
Yo, how come pistols feel like that's it? Everybody be hitting with pistols.
Oh shit, I threw a nade.
Back up for a sec. Okay, we're good now. We're good now. Ooh, nice. Why the fuck is magic in here? Hold up, hold up, hold up. Stay where you're at.
But Magic's still in it. Alright, y'all good.
You good?
Yeah.
Alright,
they're
run
out
it.
there. I'd like to know why the fuck he was in there.
Nice shot.
You.
I fucking saw you.
Fucking barely saw you, dude. Your fucking black noir skin. Shit out of here.
We're falling behind. Get moving.
Hmm.
Ooh, nice. Yeah. Aw, dude, I fucking snapped to I snapped to where you're at the last second. But where did you go? Oh, that timing. We're tied up.
Ooh. You prone?
Nah. Standing straight up like a man. Oh, bruh. I honestly thought I could slip right past that.
Taking the lead.
Oh, bruh. Don't let this be the end.
Don't be proning on me. Don't be proning on me.
Oh, no! He's at the last kill. Oh my gosh. How the fuck did you get that?
We have
Woo!
secured the kill. Mission accomplished.
Good game.
GG, bro. Damn. One off of my payday. Give all my money.
My man's cooking tonight.
That was a good game.
Yeah. GG's.
GG, bro.
Cigarette power, baby.
Nicotine. That game was sponsored by nicotine.
What's the next game, Revert?
The last one.
Next game is the last one. It's Cash versus Tuck.
Fuck. Alright, I'm taking another shot. Win or lose, I'm winning.
Let me go hit the bowl real quick.
Okay.
Like 2 minutes.
Alright.
Good,
Let
right?
me go hit the ball.
It'll be a good time.
You
Best
thought,
part
you
of
thought,
three,
he, you thought Cucky looked like he was on crack before. Wait till you hit that bowl, nigga. Shit.
Oh, fuck.
Whew.
That nigga gonna do Assassin's Creed shit off the wall.